iOS. Next topic, small element. It is used to display the text in font size smaller than the size of normal text. This is the normal text. Normal text where you are given to the small open tag and closing tag, that middle of the text is smaller than size of normal text. Normal text is 8, smaller than this, looking like 6 or 4. Okay, see output observed. Small tag used to display. It displayed very big and bold. Small text where you are given to the small open tag or closing tag, that text middle word is word looking like very small text. So once observe the program, HTML, head, title, small tag. What is the topic title? Small tag. Body open, small tag is used to display small text. What is the user? Small tag using display the small text. That sentence and small text and word is middle of the small opening tag and closing tag. So body closing, HTML closing. In this program practically explain. Understand? This is the output. Okay, this output small tag is used to display in the definition. What is that? Small text. The small text in word is displayed very small of the normal text, very small size of normal text. Okay, now practically saw that one. See, HTML head, title is small text, head, heading close, body open, body before I am given specified here. B means bold. I am already explained this video, available my channel, observe that. B bold, closing bracket, small text before I am given the small tag, opening tag, small closing tag. Body also close and HTML also close. Understand this one? Why are given here? You are given here bold. Bold means very thick. Output how to display it, I am explain same way. Okay. This is the output. Small text word is very smaller than the normal text. Anyone first saw my video, please subscribe my channel and comment section any doubts, comment there. Your doubts rectified. One YouTube video. Please subscribe. Supporting me. Next video I am explain strike elements. Next video I am explain strike elements, how to strike the words. Thank you.